Hi, my name is Nadine from the channel Alignenus. Reading to you from Emmet Fox's book, Around the Year, for September 6th, entitled, Can Human Nature Change? Shallow thinkers sometimes say doggedly and pessimistically, human nature never changes, or you can't change human nature. The truth is that there is no need for human nature to change. The nature of man is such that he can bring an unlimited quantity of good into his life. That is his nature, and no better arrangement could be imagined. Human nature is such that man can turn to God anywhere at any time, and by believing in his care and protection, and thinking in accordance with this belief, fill his heart with peace and poise, rebuild his body into health and strength, and surround himself with harmonious and joyous conditions. I am come that they might have life, and that they might have it more abundantly. John 10, verse 10. Have a wonderful day.